Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is almost confirmed. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 leaks are coming now every single day, and with that, it is almost confirmed what we are going to get in Z Fold 4. But don't be surprised to see most of the feature in Galaxy Z Fold 4 is from last year Galaxy Z Fold 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to launch in August along with Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. But what makes these phones more interesting are their new technology that we are going to see and potentially how Samsung predicted our record sales for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. And this is now confirmed that Samsung is making minor changes in both inner and outer display. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you okay with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 battery? According to Anthony on Twitter, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to be faster, wider, and thinner than Z Fold 3, and he also claims to have a better cameras and new software features. We don't know yet what kind of new software features we are going to get since Z Fold 4 is going to come with Android 12 out of the box. And if you are thinking how light it was, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold will be lightest foldable phone in the market, weight around iPhone 13 Pro Max or even less. If you think you are going to get a big update, then maybe in some areas, but not overall a new package. Since Samsung is going to use same 4400 mAh battery from the last year, it is one of the bad decisions that Samsung made with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Other than that, we may see some display changes, those were very minimal. If you put both phones side by side, then you can tell the difference. Both phones are mean Z Fold 4 and Fold 3. Samsung is going to come with the new UTG Ultra Thin Glass, which eventually called Super UTG for marketing purposes, which is more durable than the last generation and will have UDC under display camera, but the quality is still under doubt. Meanwhile, Samsung thought of putting S Pen built in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in its hinge, but dropped the idea due to the lack of space, which you can expect in the next year Galaxy Z Fold 5. The ratio on the both inner and outer displays are 6:5 for instead of 5:4, 23:9 instead of 24:5:9 from last year Galaxy Z Fold 3. And as per Ice Universe posted picture, we may see some small changes in the inner display. If you want to know more about Galaxy Z Fold 4, you can check my previous videos. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you okay with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 battery? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.